In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Samsung phone screensaver turn off. So if you set a screensaver on your Samsung phone device, this may interrupt your always on display and could stop the always on display from working. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can easily disable or make your screensaver turn off on Samsung Galaxy device. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The first thing you want to do when you want to make Samsung phone screensaver turn off is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, you can either come here and search for screensaver or just scroll down and click on display. Once you selected display, scroll down to the bottom like this, then locate screensaver. Then click on that. If you choose any of these options as your Samsung phone screensaver, go ahead and check none. Then once you click on the none button, just hit the back button and then return to your Samsung phone home screen. If you go ahead and press the start button just once, you discover that your screensaver is no longer active. So this is how you can easily make your Samsung phone screensaver turn off once you disable it. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.